Your iPhone is way more powerful than you think. Underneath all the major new features on iOS 16 like home screen widgets, live activities, and emergency SOS via satellite, there are impressive features and settings that Apple may not give as much shine to, but that you should definitely know about. The Hidden Album in Photos app is clearly not hidden, seeing as anyone can easily find it, that makes it impractical for adequately hiding private photos and videos. Thanks to iOS 16, you can now lock the hidden album. You don't actually need to do anything to toggle this feature on. If you want to check it out, launch the Photos app and go to the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. If you scroll down, you will see a tiny lock next to the hidden and recently deleted albums. To view the contents of these albums, you will need to use Face ID or your passcode. Apple has allowed iOS users to share Wi-Fi passwords for a while now, but only by placing two Apple devices near each other. And if that feature didn't automatically work, you couldn't just take out the password from your settings. Plus, if you wanted to share a saved Wi-Fi password with someone else, like an Android user or someone on a computer, you had to remember the password. Until now. In settings, go to Wi-Fi and tap the tiny information icon on the right of the network you want the password for. To view the network password, tap the password section and then use Face ID or enter your passcode to view it. You can then tap copy to copy the password into your clipboard and share it. Maybe you've saved the same photo multiple times or downloaded a video more than once, resulting in duplicates littering up your photo album. It may not be a problem if you got storage to spare, but if you're running out of space, you can now remove every single duplicate easily with iOS 16. In Photos, go to Albums, you should see a new duplicate album under Utilities. Apple scans through all of your photos and shows you any photos or videos you have saved more than once in that album. From there, you can either delete any duplicates or simply press merge, which will keep the photos with the highest quality and relevant data and then move the others to the trash. Siri does a lot of things. You can use the virtual assistant to send a text message, get directions, or play music, but one thing she's never been able to do is hang up a phone call. Now that's finally a possibility with iOS 16. In settings, go to Siri and search, and first make sure listen for Hey Siri is toggled on. If it is, you should see a new option underneath, Call Hang Up. Go into that option and toggle on Call Hang Up. When you're on phone call or a FaceTime video chat, simply say Hey Siri and ask her to hang up your current call. If you use the editor tool in Photos apps, you will be happy to learn that you can now copy and paste edits, including saturation, contrast, and brightness between photos. If you edit one photo or video and are happy with the look, you can paste those same exact edits to any other photo or video in your camera roll. To do this, launch the Photos app and open a photo that's been edited in full screen. Next, tap on the three dot menu on the top right corner and then hit Copy Edits. This option will only appear if the photo has been edited within Photos, not any third-party photo editor. Finally, go to the photo you want to copy these edits over to, tap on the three dot menu and then hit Paste Edits. After a second or so, you should see the photo edits appear. The iPhone has long had haptic feedback. It's what you feel underneath your fingertips whenever you attempt to delete an app from your home screen or enter the incorrect password on your lock screen. Strangely enough, haptic feedback has never been available for the stock iOS keyboard until now. If you want to enable a slight vibration for every single key you tap in, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and then Keyboard Feedback and toggle on Haptic. The sound option you see is the loud and annoying clacking sound you might hear when you type in something and your phone isn't on silent mode, so you can keep that disabled. Safari caps your open tabs at 500, and if you are nearing that limit, it might be pretty darn hard to find the exact tab you're looking for. In Safari, if you press down on an open tab, you now have the option to hit Pin tab. This will move that tab to the top of the Safari where it will exist as a tiny tab preview, permanently pinned there, which you can then tap to view. If you press down and unpin a tab, it will move to the first in your grid of open tabs. Finally, if you have ever tried to unlock your phone while it's vertical, like when you're lying on your side, you might have noticed that it doesn't work. You have to place your phone in portrait orientation or upright to Face ID to work. With iOS 16, you can finally use the Face ID to unlock your phone when it's in landscape orientation. However, for this to work, you must have an iPhone 13 or 14 running iOS 16. So that's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care and stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.